Hi, thanks for coming to my kitchen. Welcome. My name's Eve. Today I'm going to be making a healthy snack of crispy chickpeas. Chickpeas are a really lovely way to clean eat and enjoy snacking. And the ones we're using today are super simple. This is just a can of organic chickpeas that I've drained and dried. You can use your own dried chickpeas and rehydrate them, but let's just make this easy, fun, and ready for snacking. So you take those and pour in a couple tablespoons of avocado oil. Give that a stir. Put that on a roasting sheet tray that has a silicone pad on it and stick it in the oven. You don't want to go too skimpy on the oil. Oil is going to help make your chickpeas get very crispy. See how oily they are? Let's put them straight onto this silicone pad, separate them out, and let them roast in the oven. They'll roast at 450 for about 25 minutes, and then we'll put all the delicious seasonings on them when they come out. See you on the other side. Hi. So the chickpeas are now hot and out of the oven. We're going to put them into this bowl and toss them with some spices. Let's get them in. And then we're going to toss in some nutritional yeast. It has almost a cheesy or nut flavor to it. Some smoked paprika. Kosher salt. And of course the Mediterranean spice blend I like so much. This one's a really interesting blend. I did make some of my own, but I didn't make this one. It complements some of the spicier ones with some mild ones and then a few sweet ones. And so it's a really nice middle range spice. So for example, it has turmeric in it and cumin, but it also has cinnamon. Let's give that all a nice spice. Mix it up here and put it into a jar. Great. Oh, a little more in there. Okay. So you can see that 1 can of organic chickpeas will make enough snack to fill up 1 reused jam jar. And then you can just put a lid on these and save them and they'll stay crispy for about a week. Although they never last that long in our house. Here you go. Here are some roasted, delicious, healthy, crispy chickpea snacks. A great thing to eat, especially after dinner when you might want something to nibble. Maybe you're watching a movie, but you don't want any carbohydrates and you want to keep clean eating. There's a lot of good protein in chickpeas and great spice in here and very little else. So there you go, spiced chickpea snack. Enjoy.